Hey guys, welcome to Nappy Missy101, and today I'll be sharing with you how I'm going to prep my turmeric, aloe and honey hair mask. So you'll need organic honey, organic turmeric, ground turmeric, fresh aloe vera plant, a cutting board, a sifter, a mixing bowl, and if you wish, an application brush and a blender. We're going to start with cutting off the edges of the aloe vera plant, and I've decided to go for using the turmeric, aloe and honey hair treatment or hair mask because I've noticed that my hair is starting to shed a lot, and the aloe vera plant, the chemical makeup is similar to that of keratin. I don't know if you guys have taken biology class, but keratin is one of the main, one of the primary proteins of the hair. So in this case, the aloe vera prevents breakage, and it gives it a bit more elasticity. Now we're going to cut the aloe vera plant into big chunks. I'm going to use 3 chunks of this large plant. You can use how much you wish, it's up to you, but because I have short hair, a teeny weeny afro, I am just going to use 3 chunks. We're now going to remove the skin off of the plant. The aloe vera plant promotes hair growth, it prevents itching of the scalp, and my scalp gets really itchy as well as my skin. So I'm really looking forward to the benefits and the rejuvenation of this mixture. Also, it does reduce dandruff, and it's going to really condition the hair. We're going to also use this skin to put on my face. I do know that my skin is tending to get a lot dry in the UK weather, and it does have about 18 out of 20 amino acids, and it has vitamin A, B, C and E in there. And really, I just need my face to be moisturized, as I do know about 90 to 96% of the aloe vera plant is made up of water, and I believe some other organic compounds, but I'm unsure of what those are. So I'm really looking forward to this gooey, ooey, translucent gel to really rejuvenate my skin and to make it feel smooth and look extremely bright. Whatever part of the aloe vera plant you haven't used and you may have exposed it, you can take plastic wrap and wrap it up, and it should look like this at the end, and then you just place it in the fridge. So I'm going to take this bowl and put the skins of the aloe vera plant into here, because that's what I'm going to be using when I give myself a aloe facial. And I'm just going to rest this to the side. Now we're getting to the fun part, guys. We're going to take the chunks that we cut up, and we are going to blend them, puree them, chop them, do everything we can to get this nice and smooth and with absolutely no chunks. now we are going to take our mixing bowl and our strainer, and we are going to strain our gel. Oh my goodness, what does this look like? Ugh. My mind, I tell you. Jesus, help me, Jesus. But yes, let's get it all from under there. We want as much gel as possible. And this is what it looks like after. So now we're going to take our organic ground turmeric, and we are going to put 2 teaspoons or tablespoons, or however much you want, and drop it into our aloe gel translucent mixture. And we are adding turmeric because, like I said, my hair, I feel like it's shedding. It's becoming ultra dry these winter months. And like the aloe, the turmeric also has the ability to combat, you know, the hair loss and help strengthen it and promotes hair growth. I'm going to use 2 spoons of honey. And honey also reduces breakage, and it prevents damage, and it keeps our scalp and hair really healthy. And they say that the honey is supposed to strengthen our hair follicles, which prevents it from breakage. I'm now going to use some peppermint essential oil, and this is known to increase blood circulation, and therefore it stimulates hair growth. I'm now going to mix the mask until there are no clumps in there, and because it's very watery, I'm going to place this mixture into an applicator bottle, and I will place that into the fridge along with the aloe skins that I put into the white bowl. And I will update you guys on how this came out when I put it in my hair and applied heat for deep conditioning / treatment. And I'll get back to you guys on how that came out, and if I would do it again, and if I liked it. And yeah, I will give you guys a little review. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.